आपका कोई प्लान भी है क्या?
People say in CA, entry is easy and exit is difficult. Due to CA, mostly students lose their opportunities to study in good universities and end up taking admissions in dummy colleges. So what if we are not able to complete this course? What if we get stuck in this course? What if we get any health emergencies? What if we lose interest in the middle of this course or without any reason attaching to this? What if we want to quit CA? Then what is the backup plan? What is the plan B?
ठीक है, प्लान भी शुरू करते हैं।
So in this video, I am going to tell you 6 backup plans if due to any reason you cannot complete this course. So guys, I have talked to many people who have quitted CA in between due to any reason and now they are doing well in their lives. So without any further ado, let's get started. So option number 1 is MBA. MBA is just a 2 years course. Guys, whenever there are vacancies for CA, most of the times there are oblique MBA attached to it. Most of the work which CAs can do, MBAs can also do except some of the specific work like auditing. I have example of 2 of my seniors. One, he quitted CA after CA Inter and then he joined a university in Pune for MBA, and after completion of his MBA he got a job in Big 4 and now he is earning very decent amount. And I have one more example of one of my senior. He had done MBA from a very local college, not a very good or branded university, but he has completed his articles and after that he got a job of 7.5 LPA in a very good company. And anyways, average package for CA freshers is also 7.5 to 8.5, so he is earning a really good amount by doing MBA from a very local college. Now here comes my option number 2. Very less people are aware about this, and this is a really very good option for those who wants to earn earlier, for those who have some financial problems. So this option is for CA Inter cleared students. You don't even have to do articleship. If you have cleared your CA Inter, then there are lots of vacancies in PSUs, and those vacancies are available only for those who have cleared CA Inter. So this is going to be a government job starting from rupees 40,000 to 50,000 per month. The job profile will be accountant or assistant accountant, like this only. And guys, the competition is very less in this area because only CA Inter students are eligible. So to get this PSU job, you have to give only one exam, and this exam is going to be 25% easier than CA Inter. After that, you have to give interview and you can get the job. If you are interested in this option to know that how you can see the vacancies, how you can get that job, and how you can prepare for the interview, how you can prepare for the exams and all the information, then I can make a separate video on this. Please comment down if you are interested in this option. Now option number 3 is Big 4s. If you have completed your CA Inter and you have done your articleship with a mid-sized firm, then you can easily get a job in the Big 4. Now option number 4 are for those who are not good in theory subjects but are really very good at understanding the concepts or understanding the practicals. Maybe you are stuck in audit or law or these type of theory subjects, but your understanding of costing or FR or any practical subjects is very good. Then you can pursue CFA, because CFA is more towards the practical side and there is very less theory portion in it. So CFA is also very respected course and you can earn a decent amount after clearing CFA exams. Now option number 5 is just opposite of option number 4. If you are good in theory subjects but you are stuck in practicals, then you can do CS, that is company secretary. So you can pursue CS exams and that is also a very respected course and you can earn a decent amount from CS too. Now coming towards option number 6, which is after BCom you can prepare for so many competitive government exams like SSC and all, but I will not prefer this because there is a very high competition in this area and you can waste your years and end up not getting anything. So this is not a nice option according to me, but if you wanna go for any type of government exam, then you can do that. So guys, these were the 6 backup plans. And one more I would like to say, I have one of my friend who is not a chartered accountant, but he has completed his articleship and he has learned in his articleship a lot and he has made connections with so many good clients. So now he has started his own office. He is not a chartered accountant, but he does most of the work which a CA do, and due to his quality of service, most of the clients trust him and he is earning very good and decent amount. So guys, during this course you are gonna get most of the knowledge. You can enter into the stock market, you can do option trading, or you can start your own business, you can start teaching, you can start YouTube. So there are so many things. Guys, CA is like a gold chain. If you have completed it, then there is another level of status, power, money, everything. But in any case, or unfortunately you are not able to complete it, then broken gold chain also have value. I am ending this video here. If you want to know more about that PSU CA Inter option, then please comment below. I will surely make a separate video on that. So that's all for the video. Subscribe for more such useful content and thanks for watching.